Hello friend, in this video you will learn that how to make retro scene using Blender 2.83. Okay, so let's switch to new window and press A to select entire default scene, then press delete to delete it. Okay, now press shift A, under mesh select a plane, switch to edit mode and press S, then 50. Okay, to scale it. Now right click and subdivide. Click on this subdivide and increase number of cuts, that is 30. Okay, now enable this proportional editing mode and also switch from smooth to random and select few vertex like this. You have to select vertex both side on x-axis. Now press G, then Z, then pull on upper side. Okay, and you have to increase proportional size from here like this. Okay, and you can adjust it height, and yeah, this is perfect. Now switch to object mode. Click on this object data properties, expand normal and check auto smooth. Then right click, then shaded smooth. Now select this mesh. Click on this add modifier properties and click on this add modifier and select here array modifier. Keep relative x value 0 and y value 1. Now increase count value till 6. Okay, now press shift A, under mesh select UV sphere. Now press tab to enter into edit mode. Now press S to scale and switch to object mode. Okay, select this sphere and click on this move tools and move on y axis like this. Like this. Okay, and press shift A, select camera and find your best position, then press alt control 0 to snap with viewport. Now select this UV sphere, right click, then you have to scale it like this and make sure you have to move on y axis little bit because you just have scale it. Okay, then click on this object data properties. Under normal you have to select auto smooth, then right click, then subdivide. Now press 0. Select this plane. Under modifier you have to apply array modifier, then apply wireframe modifier. Uncheck this replace and you have to increase its thickness, that is 0.5, something like this. Yeah, 0.8 is good. Now pull like this. Here click on this render properties. You have to enable bloom and under color management you have to change look to very high contrast. Okay, now click on this shading mode and press 0 for camera view. Switch to render view and click on this world properties and make its color darker like this. Okay, and select this plane and click on this new. Select this principal shader and press shift S and switch to emission shader. So under shader you have to select emission shader. Now press shift A and add mix RGB. Okay, then connect this mix node with this emission node like this, and press shift A, search here color ramp, and connect this color ramp with first color socket, and also add more handle. So click on this plus icon, change its color into blue color, and change this color into purple color like this, and change its color into sky blue color, and also change its mode to be spline. Okay, nothing is happening, we'll fix it later. So first we need to add gradient texture. So press shift A, then add a gradient textures, and connect this color with this factor. Okay, now press shift A and add mapping node, connect this mapping node with this vector, and we have to add one shader, that is one node, that is textures coordinate. So search here textures coordinate and connect with this generated like this. Okay, now press shift A and add layer width, and connect with this facing to factor like this, and we have to add node, more nodes. So first shift A and search here wireframe like this, and we have to add color ramp. So press shift A and search here color ramp, and connect this factor with this factor, and also change its color into sky blue like this. Okay, and connect this color with this color, and you have to increase its size from here, and you have to increase its strength little bit like this, and you can play with this, play with its handle, color ramp handle like this. Find your best position, and you have to also, you can also adjust from blend mode from here like this. Okay, now select this UV sphere and click on this new, and also change principal shader into emission shader. So press shift as under shader, select emission shader. Now press shift A and add noise textures, and connect this color with this color. Okay, now press shift A and add color ramp, increase its scale value, that is around 80, and also you have to adjust from here like this. I think this is too much, so just decrease its value something like this, and change white color into light yellow something like this, and also change black color into light gray color like this. Increase strength value, and we have to work on background. So switch to world from here, and select this background, and press shift S, and under shader you have to select emission shader, and press shift A. Again we have to search noise textures, and connect this factor with color, and press shift A, add color ramp. So search here color ramp and connect with this, increase scale value around 100, and you have to adjust with it color ramp value something like this. Increase strength value and play with this color ramp handle. Now press F12 to render, and this is your scene. This is very basic scene, and you can click on, you can save from this image option if you want. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and leave your comments. Please subscribe my channel.